Hi. So, my name is Rhea May S. Morales. We will gonna be exploring about George Polya's powerful four-step problem-solving method. So, while applicable across disciplines, we will focus on mathematical examples to illustrate its power. But before that, we will know first who is George Polya. So, George Polya, 1887 to 1985, a renowned mathematician and teacher. So, he emphasized the importance of the process of problem solving. So, his book, How to Solve It. So, in 1945, he introduced his transformative method. A mathematical problem is any situation requiring a solution. So every problem is required to have a solution. So ignoring problems leads to errors. Effective strategies are crucial. Yes. The situation often lies in asking the right question. So, for example, consider the problem. Find the area of a triangle with base 6 cm and height 8 cm. So, by using this Polya's 4 steps overview, so we have here. So, first, in Polya's method or Polya's steps, we have the understand the questions. So, that is number 1. Understand the questions. Clearly define the goal. So, what are we trying to find? In this case, the area of a triangle.
So step 1, understanding the problem. So we need to identify the known quantities. We are given the base of the triangle, which is 6 centimeter, and the height of the triangle, which is 8 centimeter. So next, we need to identify the unknown quantity. So we need to find the area or A of the triangle. Next, we need to formulate a plan. We need to recall the formula for the area of a triangle. So, which is given by, here we have the A, no represents the area of the triangle, B represents the length of the base of the triangle, and H represents the height of the triangle.
So, that is the first steps in Polya's method. Okay, next, let's hear for the next steps.